With the help of the powerful tool I just discovered, it's now easier than ever to find a digital product that is passively generating significant revenue. The best part, this digital product currently has massive search volume with minimal competition. In today's video, I'll show you how I find this high potential product, how to generate stunning design using AI, and a simple trick to double your revenue and outsmart the competition. So let's jump in. Your digital product isn't getting any sales because you end up designing in a high competitive niche, which slows down your chance of making a good numbers of sales. The main problem is that you only did your product research on Etsy, which limits your ability to gain insight into how the product you're targeting is actually performing. So even if you manage to find the best-selling product, that doesn't guarantee that your product will make any sales, because Etsy algorithm tend to promote products that have shown consistent attraction over the years, unlike yours, which is brand new. The solution is to narrow down to a niche that has a good search volume but less competition. To do this effectively, I use an Etsy analysis tool like Sales Summary. In the search bar, I can type in a general keyword like Clipart design and instantly see that the competition level is quite high. So to find a better, more searchable sub-niche with lower competition, I scroll down to where it says Etsy most trending keywords. This section reviews all the sub-niches along with their competition level, click-through rate, and search volume. For example, cabin clip art has an impressive search volume with significant low competition. Or text swamp clip art design, another great example of a promising sub-niche worth exploring. With a powerful tool like Sales Summary, it becomes much easier to create designs that people are actually searching for. After finding a profitable design, the next step is to search it again on Etsy to gather inspiration on how others are crafting their design. Now, while clip art designs are mostly sold as digital products, you need to have more listings in your store in order to generate more revenue, because digital designs usually comes at a lower price point. The best trick, apply the same design for a high demanding physical product. This way you can sell it at a higher price point and never miss out on potential buyers, and the process of selling physical product is now easy. You create your digital design once, apply it on a white label product, and when you get an order, the product is packaged, shipped, and delivered without you ever touching it. Printify gives you access to a wide range of popular white label products that you can easily customize with your own designs. What makes it even better is that Printify seamlessly integrates with popular online stores. This allows you to create your product directly within Printify and have it automatically listed in your store. Thanks to Printify's built-in AI model, you no longer have to stress about crafting the perfect title, description, or tag. All you need is to provide a brief description of your product, and Printify will analyze top-selling products in your niche to generate an optimized title, description, and tag, helping your product rank higher and stand out on Etsy. On top of that, Printify global network of print providers ensures fast production time and reliable delivery for your customers. I'll show you exactly how to use this service later in the video. Now, selling your product on a marketplace like Etsy is great because it comes with built-in traffic. This means you don't have to worry about driving visitors to your store. However, platforms like Etsy also make their rules, and that can be a major drawback. Your store could be at risk if the policy changes no longer work for you. That is why it's always smart to have an additional store outside Etsy. This way, you're not fully dependent on the marketplace rules. And if Etsy suddenly suspends your store for no clear reason, it can easily shift your focus to the other store you've been growing alongside your Etsy store. Now, setting an online store is simple. First, you need a domain name that clearly reflects what you're selling. Instead of using a generic .com domain, I prefer something that instantly tells my visitor what the platform is about, which is why I choose .store. Did you know that websites with a .store domain receive 87% more traffic and rank twice as high on Google compared to the generic domains? That's no coincidence. When shoppers see a .store domain, they instantly recognize it as a place to buy, which builds trust and boosts conversions. That's why global icons like MrBeast, Cristiano Ronaldo, Rihanna, Emirates Airline use .store domain for their brands. Now let's head over to the .store website to check if our domain name is available, and you can see the domain name is available for $29. But don't worry, there's a way to get that at a lower price. Just add it to cart, head to checkout, and apply the coupon code Endatah. I've added that in the description below. Now, if you enable privacy protection, the price will be slightly higher. But if you skip that, you can secure your domain name at a lower price for just 1 year. And there's more. When you register a .store domain, you get a free access to the Plus version of Elevate.store, a premium toolkit built specifically to help online sellers grow faster. It includes deals and discounts for tools like Canva, Shopify, and AutoDS, all free just for using .store domain. Once your domain name is set, we move on to the fun part, which is building your store and launching your product. But first, let's create this product using AI. Now, to create this design, I began by crafting my prompt in a specific format. Then, I tested this prompt on 2 platforms, Ideogram and Kiddo, since both delivers impressive results for Clipart designs. And here's the result I got. I also experimented with other prompts like this, and the outcome were much better. And that's not all. I actually have hundreds of these prompts that can generate similar high quality images for you. The link will be in the description. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now that our design is ready, it's time to make it print ready in Printify. But before that, make sure the platform you use to create your online store is successfully connected with Printify. For example, I was able to connect my Squarespace online store without any issue. Once that is done, you head over to the catalog section in Printify and select mug as a physical product, because these designs are a perfect match for mugs, and mugs have consistently proven to generate solid revenue on Etsy. Next, you select the mug with the bestseller tag and click Start Designing. Then import your design and place it on both sides of the mug so it appears on both sides when printed. You can also add text to your design to make it more eye-catchy. Once you're done designing, you can use Printify AI tool. Just provide a short description of your product and it will automatically generate the rest for you. Once you finish setting all this information, simply click Publish, and this is how it will look on your online store. Finally, I hope this video helped you understand why selling Clipart as a physical product can be such a profitable opportunity. Just remember, consistency is key to growing your shop and seeing the real long-term results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.